time. We've got some fun ideas to help freshen up your weekend menu. Local nutritionist and best-selling author Rania Bataina joins us now with some Memorial Day recipes that are both good and good for you. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So we're starting off with a little salad.
Yeah, so this is a classic chicken Waldorf salad, perfect for any picnic.
Okay.
At the base, we have shredded, boneless, skinless chicken breast.
Okay.
And so once you cook it and you boil it, let it cool, shred it. And then the dressing is Greek yogurt with peach preserves.
Oh.
So no mayo.
Okay.
Right?
So it's like Greek yogurt, that's how we're lightening it
It's
up.
already lower in fat, and then you've got the healthy fats, which are the
Before
walnuts.
we toss it, Stephen, can you get in here? Let's see. I'm going to hold this up for our camera just so we can see. We got crunch in there with the celery,
beautiful.
apples, nuts, raisins, all that good stuff.
Yes, so
Okay.
simply toss, right? So you're
Toss
gonna
to
get,
combine.
toss to combine. It's so easy. You can
right.
cut the fruit and the vegetables to your desired size. And you don't want to overdress the chicken because you
can
want
always
the other,
add more.
You can always add more.
Yeah.
You want the other ingredients to shine. You want to see them. I mean, it's so good.
Okay,
so
we
let's
get some
plate
little
this
bowls
up.
ready.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and I love a good chicken Waldorf salad because it's so easy to, you can make ahead, have it for your Memorial Day fun, but then you can also, you know, do some leftovers,
you.
Oh,
easy
yeah.
for weekday lunches.
Also
all
seems
kinds of
just
good
like
stuff.
an easy one to prep. Like it doesn't
yeah.
seem like
It's
as
so
much work
easy.
as maybe other meals and dishes.
Oh yeah, I mean just cutting up the fruits and vegetables.
Right.
You know, roast the chicken ahead of time. You can use
See.
you can use the chicken for anything too.
What do you think of the Greek yogurt?
Do you like it?
I love
that.
Oh, good. Yeah,
It tastes just like a chicken Waldorf. I can't tell
think.
that it's like a little lighter, you know?
it's just completely
Perfect replacement.
Good stuff.
lighter, easy Greek yogurt
Okay.
with some preserves.
We're gonna wash this down with a new, better for you drink option.
So Olipop. Olipop is functional soda with benefits, and the benefits come from prebiotics,
Okay.
which actually feed your gut. So it helps your gut become more nourished and healthier. So it's like
Okay.
food for your gut,
It's so
basically.
interesting. No, you both had heard of it. I was the one
Yeah.
when I saw Olipop, I was like, I had never heard of this, but
Listen, all
apparently
the-
it's
all the
kind of the trendy
influencers.
thing right now.
It's
I
all the
tried
rage
it.
on Instagram. And Camilla Cabello is actually one of the investors.
Ooh,
so
okay.
yeah, so their Instagram is just very lively.
Travis, do you want to try a cola or a lemon lime?
I would like a lemon lime,
All
please.
right.
Okay, good. So lemon lime is a dupe for Sprite.
I was gonna say this is like a little ice spray.
Yes. So,
refreshing.
so compared to other lemon lime
Okay.
sodas,
thank
Got a little
you.
classic root beer here for you. Would love
Yeah.
to give this one a try.
Try that one.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Tink, tink. Okay.
So the lemon lime has 4 grams of sugar compared to 40 grams that you'll find in a traditional
Wow. That's
lemon lime
good.
soda.
That's
Isn't it
really
good?
good.
Classic root beer
Tastes like
is
root beer.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Tastes
It
like root beer. Most popular flavor.
Oh my gosh.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so each can is 35 to 45 calories, 2 to 5 grams of natural sugar. It's made with prebiotics,
Yum.
botanicals, and plant fiber.
Wow, that's
Love
way
it.
better than
Real
a sugar-loaded
quick, before we
soda.
run out of room, we have
Yeah.
to talk about dessert.
Yes. So again, something that's gone viral are these frozen yogurt fruit bites.
Mm-hmm.
And so what I did here is I took whole raspberries, mixed it up with peanut butter and vanilla Greek yogurt.
Oh, that's so
okay.
Ooh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
A lot of people are using plain Greek
All right,
yogurt.
all
All
right,
right, let's
have
do
one
it,
of
let's
those
do it.
over here.
Let's go big.
All
You
right.
just pop them in the
Is it okay if
freezer?
I'm just gonna?
Oh, yeah.
There you go,
Yeah,
Emily.
that's fine. You can, oh, thanks, Travis. Okay.
Yeah,
Why,
so-
thank you.
Very
Oh my gosh,
simple to
yum.
make. The first step is the yogurt and the peanut butter and the raspberries.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Cold,
good.
crunchy, delicious. Rania, thank you so much. For more ideas, follow her on Instagram at Rania Bataina. You can also check out her book, The 111 Diet, available wherever books are sold.